If Jesus' mother Mary was Jamaican at the wedding at Cana.
Jesus, them run out of wine in the kitchen. See what you can do for them now? Woman, what does that have to do with me? But see ya. Wrong thing that you say a while ago, dog, man, I tell you. Straight. You know, so from the other day, through your turn big man, you come pass your place with me whole heap of time. And more you know, say you for watch it, you know. Me and you no size. Nobody come mistake me for you look at disciple them. Cool. You hear me? I want you remember say I me bring you into this world, you know. I me take you back. Well, technically nothing. Oh. You just talk to me properly before me class you know, in front of all of your friends them. Make everybody see. Hello, serve. You see my big son right there, sir? Just do anything when I tell you to do, you hear? Fill up the 6-pack of my water for me. Alright, draw out some of that now. And carry it. Go get the master for the feast. Jesus, look here. See if you can turn some more of the water in a wine so that we can have it for Monday, Tuesday.
If Paul the Apostle had a Jamaican mom.
Ephesians, Timothy. No, this is Titus. Oh, Timothy. Pablo. Yes, mama. Me catch some food for you. Thanks. Then you look so dry down and maga. No, true me. Then I give me feeding you. Daddy, me need you to give me son the right amount of tea a morning time. You hear me? All the same, my son. Nobody eat nothing when they give you in you. You hear? Cause next thing then go poison you. Coupon all him too. May I write the letters them, mama? What them there for? I feel the New Testament, mama. Me must say me the. So how much book you write? Oh, 13. How much book in the New Testament? 27. How much percentage of the 27 is the 13? 48%, mama. So what happened to the other 52%? Make you never write all of the book them for the New Testament. No, mama, me I go finish the race. Or you run race. And my so how much book come before yours in the New Testament? 5. So you come 6. Who write the other book them? Then why you was not one of the disciples them? That's how could I get to write the first book. True, you used to kill people. That's why that happened to you. Then I have none left in the Old Testament where you can write. All the same, don't worry yourself. Beg your $500 now. Time is up now, mom. I mean, you have strength for John Crow. When them say them all let you out yourself. You soon finish write your letter them. So Pablo, yes, mama. You're not right now, girl. Welcome. Let's start the session. No, come here, say, me the original water bender. You couldn't fight Goliath. So make you never fight Bathsheba instead of water bender. But flood are my thing. I never you bring no flood, brethren. Yeah, when me just stand up, an animal just run come. So you call down the big fish palm me. We're not here for that. You kind of hurt still. So me never get to see the promised land just through me strike the rock. You should have done the right thing. No, Adam. You don't know you're limited enough. Well, if you would have controlled your one wife, we would not have been in this predicament. Miss therapist, I would like to say something, ma. I was very lonely. Adam spent all my time and hang out with the animal them. And I change up their name every minute, ma'am. One time for 3 weeks straight, Adam stand up in front of the bull cow. I try to decide if you name it bull cow or donkey, ma'am. Every minute, bull cow, donkey, bull cow, donkey, bull cow, donkey. That must have been hard. Adam hardly talk to me, ma'am. Well, as a killer, you must attend to your wife. If I might interject. Oi, New Testament. Answer back. There's no need to be so crass. Relax yourself, Moses. I want to deny. Deny. Well, me might deny, but at least me never betray. All what going on, and me perform the best in the Bible. Once again, that's not what we're here for. No, me. Well, I am wise. And I am well learned. I'm street smart. Actually, none of you are the greatest in the Bible. Why you would say a thing like that, miss? Because... Help! I can't see nothing in the dark like midnight. What that? Hello? Who is there? Serve! In your think, man! What be there? Come in like me inside, I want fish. Then God, you really do me that? Just through me say me I got tashish. Nah, man, in your think, man, I forgot hang up like an air freshener. Don't tell me say I do that. Don't tell me say I do that. It's a fish and I do it from last year. And God, you could have sent me a fish when I saw yummy. I want that palm in foot. You hurl me into the depths of the very heart of the sea. Jesus! Oh, you know about it. Hungry I kill me. I should go find something to eat. Hello? Swim around. Look here. Hungry I bust me shot. See if you can find some sea grape. I'm want you swallow them whole up. About to chew them up. Come in while you pit up, honey. Them one you look good. Oh, them sea grape you look like tomato, sir. Alright. Swim around. You know, say, the things them where you eat it not good for your body. You understand? I've been banished from your sight, yet I will look again toward your holy temple. When my life was heavy away. Oh. A time for me go here now? Little later swim around, yeah. Father, hear me I say. You still want me go on anyway? Cause a 3 days now me did stuck in and me I say, My goodly are late, you know? Alright, me I go.
If Moses was Jamaican,
Highway Promised Land, Bills 50-1, Red Sea Promised Land, all fears please. What do you mean by so much fear? Hey, a wicked something this, you know. And this me use and take lift up that, you know. Catch your Red Sea alive. Adam can't do this and beat me. Solomon the wise like this. Do this and beat me now. Where Ark go? Hello, nice lady. Promised Land for you, miss? Hello, miss. You have to go put the baby in one basket. Well, you have to go left back the baby. No basket, no baby. One already. Red Sea Promised Land. Bless us, sir. Hey, me not have no change now. You not have nothing smaller. Small up on yourself. Go in. Hey, not say. Right through. Quick and fast for me, because error no unlimited, you know. Whoa, it's the Egyptian them a come there. Red Sea, lock up this back. Egyptian a come.
Yeah.
nobody, Jamaican church service.
I seen the folly, Jesus restored my soul. Lord, I'm getting old and fever, so I'm asking you to leave me. Oh.
You will know a Jamaican by a certain name their whole life, only to go to their funeral and find out that's not their real name.
Mississippi place hot so till. Come in like a hall, no, they don't fix the fan. Maybe then so fix the fan, they might get some money to fix the fan. Then Mrs. the program already done. Come in like I say, everybody want a program. And everybody fi collect program when they come a funeral. It's a whole heap of people turn up. You stay for the burial? Me hear say, and when Sister Blair cookie food, I don't know say when she cook rice, that plaka. Maybe it's the woman the right side of it. You see the body?
Here's a program, mom.
Oh, thank you so much. Wait there. Look at the wrong funeral with it. Make you see so. In loving memory of Clandolius, Aubergine, Messam. How name, sir? Me visit time talk. Then no Ryan, do we know him as? Not that me know him as too. What I supposed to the right funeral, no brother royal grandfather. Me could go look on the body so that we can. But the casket not right funeral. This is a young picture here where they use. This is a young picture here where they use. And so you look at now. There's a praise on the inside that I can't keep to myself. A holler stirring up from the depths of my soul. So excuse me if I seem a little getting maybe even strange. 'Cause praise is the way I say things. Hallelujah. There's a praise on the inside that I can't keep to myself. A holler stirring up from the depths of my soul. So excuse me if I seem a little getting maybe even strange. 'Cause praise is the way I say things.